Hello, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today we're going to compare the Infinix Smart 7 HD and the Hot 30i. So we both have same display size, 6.6, 5000 milliamp battery. Now this one, the Smart 7 HD, comes with this annoying micro USB charger, while the Hot 30i is gone to Type C, which is a lot better. The Hot 30i comes with larger storage. Does have the NFC. Smart 7 HD, it doesn't have NFC. Now this one has a 8 megapixel selfie camera and 30 megapixel rear camera, while this one has 5 megapixel front camera with the 8 megapixel rear camera. Not that much storage. Okay design, not too bad. The nice thing about this is the fingerprint is on the rear, while on the Hot 30i it's on a power button. I suppose this is nicer. This is a bit nicer. Anyway, nicer design on a Hot 30i. NFC extra, better camera, Type C charger, and the price difference is just about £20, 30 euros, something like that. It depends where you purchase it. And not to mention about the CPU. Both have octa-core CPUs, but the difference is this won't play games, just basic games. When this is not a gaming phone, obviously, but it will play some better games than just the basic ones. So for the price, I would recommend this one. It's just a tiny difference in the price, and I would go for the Hot 30i. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.